Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Before we go to study, we will pray before. Pray begin. Finish. Now we will learn about tenses. Excuse me to share screen before. We have learned tenses in senior high school. Tenses is the form of a verb that shows the time something happened or is going to happen. Tenses are 16 and divide for group for each tenses. The first is past tenses. Second, past continuous tense. Third, past perfect tense. And fourth, past perfect continuous. In the past tense is simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect continuous. And the future tense is simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. In the past future is simple future tense, past future continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Next we have past tense. The first is simple past. Simple past is to talk about a complete action in a time before now. For example, I went to the park. Past continuous. Past continuous is to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short of time after the action started. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is made from the verb had and the past participle of a verb. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous is a verb tense which is used to show that an action started in the past and continued up to another point in the past. Now, present tense. Present tense is a verb tense used to describe a current activity or state of being. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is a verb that used with two main uses. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now, or when it happens regularly or occasionally, which is why it's sometimes called present indefinite. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe dynamic action that happen repeatedly, are currently happening, or will be happening in the near future. Present perfect tense. The present perfect is formed for the present tense of the verb have and the past participle of verb. Present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is used to refer to an unspecified time between before now and now. Future tense. The future tense is the verb tense used to describe a future event or state of being. Simple future. The simple future tense is used to refer to action or state that began and end in the future. Future continuous. The future continuous or the future progressive tense represent an action taking place at some time in future and is used to discuss an event that will happen in the future for a specified amount of time. Future perfect. The future perfect tense refers to a complete action in the future. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continues to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. Past future is used to express the idea that in the past, an action or event was predicted, planned, promised, expect, or obliged to be done in the future past. Doesn't matter if the idea is correct or not. Simple future tense. Simple past future tense is used to refer to action or states that begin and end in the future. Past future continuous. Past future continuous is used to express the idea that in the past an action, event was predict, planned, promised, expect, or obliged to be happening. Being continued in a certain period in the future of past, or while simultaneously another action or event happened or was also happening, being continued in the same period in the future of past, regardless the fact that idea was not proved to be true. Past future tense is used to express the idea in the past that an action event was predicted, planned, promised, expect, or obliged to have been done completely before by a certain time in the future of past, or being while another action or event happening in the future of past, regardless the fact that idea has not been proved to be true. Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is a form of sentence structure to express events that will and are happening in the past, plus have nothing to do with the present. So if the future perfect continuous tense is pure tells the future, while the past future continuous tense tells of event in the past. Now, before we end the meeting today, I will group you to the small group. For group 1, I have Tiara and Nadia. For reading the past continuous, past dan and past perfect and perfect continuous. And we have Nadia to doing the present and simple present. And the third is Manda doing present continuous tense. To the group 2, Wildan and Santi. Wilda have present perfect and present perfect continuous. Santi, simple future and future continuous. And the last group is Rehan and Melis. Rehan is simple future tense and past future continuous. Melissa, past future perfect and past future perfect continuous. I will give you a little time to cooperate with your member of group. If you are ready, please say it to me.
Okay, ma'am. Past continuous. I was watching television when she called me last night.
Past perfect tense. We were not able to stay overnight at the hotel since we had not reserved a room in advance.
And perfect continuous. He had been drinking milk out the carton when Mom walked into the kitchen.
Okay, that is a good answer for group 1. Now group 2.
Present perfect.
Dari ke luar negeri, kalau mau beli dia harus 3,4 miliar.
She has lived here all her life. And present perfect continuous. I have been studying for 3 hours.
Aku masih 21 tahun.
Okay, next.
Simple future. I will write article on different topics. Future continuous. I will be writing articles on different topics.
That is the absolutely good answer. Next.
Simple future tense. For example, a friend promised he would give you ice cream. And the past future continues. I will be writing article on different topics.
And for past future perfect, ma'am, you will have studied the English tenses. And then for past future perfect continuous, I would have been working in leading companies for 5 years.
Okay, and the last. If there is no one have the future perfect and future perfect continuous, I will mention. The example is future perfect. I will have finished the book. And for the future perfect continuous, they will have been playing football in the field before you reach. Okay, that is the last meeting for today. I will thank for the leader to make this meeting, and I will take attendance now to input in SIKA. Whoever I mention, please reply me. Santi Romana Sitorus,
Present, Miss.
Muhammad Rehan,
Present, ma'am.
Dina Melisa Salam,
Present, ma'am.
Aisyah Arshila,
Present, Miss.
Tiara Anggraini Putri,
Present, ma'am.
Present, Miss.
Wilda Rahayu,
Present, ma'am.
that is for the meeting now. I will take a picture for our history. Now, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Hey,
ma'am.
Miss. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Okay.
Izin live ya.
Oke.